Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to screen record with audio on Windows PC and laptop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for OBS Studio Download. And click here. Okay, now right-click on the installer. Run as administrator. Now we will open OBS. Click here. Display capture. And here in display, we will select our monitor. Then right-click here, transform, stretch to screen. Now click here, audio output capture. And that's it, we should have audio. If we want to add the microphone, it is the same thing. Now to start recording, just click on Start Recording. And we would be recording the screen with audio. The recordings are normally saved in this folder. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.